Stop by and take a look at the 2002 Tundra. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.7-liter engine and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power brakes, inside you'll find cruise control, tachometer, power steering, center console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.